Hello there, people who are watching this video, most likely boomers because you've searched on YouTube, how do I put music on an Instagram story? So hello people 40 and above, I'm going to be your guide, I'm going to walk you straight to the door in 2 minutes, no more. From theagency.io, Alex is here. Right, let's start the screen recording so that you can follow along really easily, right? So we're going to go onto Instagram. Bang, one, Instagram, on, camera, done. Right, now we're going to go across to music at the bottom, and it gives you about 15 seconds or so. So we'll have a little look. I'll go for Forever by Chris Brown for what was going on with his, you know, him in the office with Jim and Pam and all that. I'll select that. So now what I can do, I can just select, you know, wherever I want in the song really, can't I? Look at that haircut, what a great haircut as well. Great moment in the office this. Right, so now I'm recording myself. As the music is playing, you're just holding down that one with the music icon. I'm just here having a little chat, yeah, good stuff, 15 minutes, it's gonna go up on the story, lovely jubbly, 15 seconds even. Done, right, now, obviously that's very interesting. I'll move this little sticker bit about, press your story, jobs are good in it. It's up there now for everyone to absolutely enjoy. I told you it'd be about 2 minutes, didn't I? So, you know, if you want any more, you know, advice on your social media marketing and all that sort of stuff, get over to that website there, theagency.io. You can see it. What a lovely website that is. And, you know, we will help in any way we can. Do all the YouTubey stuff now, you know, comment below, subscribe and all that. And, you know, cheers for watching.